trade in New York open together. I feel, I'm just getting my charger. I feel a little bit emotional right now, so I'm just gonna, I apologize if I'm low energy. I probably won't take a trade today, just because obviously I'm aware of my emotions and might cause me to like be silly on the charts and not trade correctly, so probably won't trade, but we'll just see how it goes. If I see something super obvious, I'll take it. If it's not super obvious, then I'll just sit out. But yeah. My alarm is going off. Okay. Let's trade. I'm excited to be on the charts though. I've been studying all day. So I'm definitely excited to execute on the things that I've been learning on. Okay. Monthly fair value gap rebalanced and respected. Weekly fair value gap respected. Weekly fair value gap down here. I think this is a weekly order block, this one here. Don't quote me though. Still trying to figure out order blocks. So I'm definitely not perfect at them. So yeah. One thing that's making me really happy right now is my chart colors. They just look so good. They make me really happy. Okay, we have previous week highs, all-time highs. So I'm just going to mark this as previous week high, and then I'm also going to put slash all-time high there, and then we've already taken previous week high on NQ, so that becomes an SMT. Then we have all-time highs this week here. Okay, let's see what we're doing on the daily time frame. Zoom all the way in. I think all-time highs were made yesterday. Yeah, so let me mark that out as previous day high. Previous day low. It just looks like we're trading towards previous day high pretty clearly on NQ. On ES, not really, but you know, kind of trading in the middle, the 50% mark at the range, meaning that we probably want to see some type of internal manipulation when we go down time frames. Previous day low. Just check the 4 hour. It's pretty clear that previous day low, is this equal lows or an SMT? 85, 85, so these are equal lows here. I think this is going to be the draw. But we're bullish, so I'm pretty much bullish until proven otherwise. But I think that previous day low is a suitable draw because it's equal lows. But I think we've had those equal lows for a minute, I'm not going to lie. I think we're just going to have to go straight down in time frames Unless we like displace crazy, but how far away are we? Yeah, 200 points away from the low, so and it looks like we're trading higher anyway. It's like we've kind of edged taking previous day high. Yeah. S&T at previous day high. Okay. S&T as well right here. But I think we're going to trade high because we pretty much baited equal highs with a protected high. We didn't react off of... is there even an order block there? I don't think so. Don't think we respected it. So I'm kind of more leaning towards we're probably going to be bullish for the day, but if not, then that's also fine. I think when we go on 15 minute, these levels will be a lot more clearer. Yeah. It looks a lot easier to read. It's going to be dotted because it's an S&T. Got this little internal here. Here's a protected high, and it was taken. So I'm definitely bullish. Because look at that. Literally taking the protected high already on NQ. Kind of want to see how price reacted there. Now let's mark out the draws. We got heaps of draws lower, so once we take the draws higher, it's going to be a little bit more tricky to trade because we're at all-time highs. Like, I don't really want to like FOMO into longs at all-time highs. We definitely have draws lower, so I think we're bullish overall, but just draw and liquidity wise, like it makes sense for us to go lower, but we're at all-time highs, so I can't go over biased in that, so I'm just a little bit more mixed. Overall though, price action doesn't look bad, I'll give it that. This might be bearish continuation sequence, but even if it is bearish continuation sequence, it's a little bit, it doesn't look that good unless we take the highs on NQ, but I don't really want to see us leave those highs, and I don't want to trade against us taking those highs, but I'm also like, we'll probably just take it at market open. Oh, little S&T in here. Oh, not S&T, who knows? Didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna put an alert there because knowing me, I'm gonna forget that it's equal lows there. Okay, heaps of draws lower, lots of manipulation at the high. Got a little void down here. A little bit tricky. Let's see if we have any sequences at that high. Ooh. Yeah, to me it just looks like we're baiting longs, but also no, because I feel like we've got those equal lows. Sorry, we've got someone NQ, someone ES. Previous to high and all-time highs is right there though, so just have to wait and see. Oh, this is also a potential stop raid. Don't let me forget that. So holding S&T. Oh, this is also a protected high. is that? Yeah, protected high. Stop rate as well. Okay, we have manipulation. I'm really gonna make sure that I control my emotions. Okay. Cool. Oh, they do print really fast on here. Remember that everyone in the Discord was like, they print really fast. I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine. No. They print really fast. Damn, I thought I could slow them down. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I just did. Okay. Okay. Still recording. Cool, so we have SMT here. Respecting protected high. We have this rejection block right here, which we've kindly taken the candle closures. So we've taken all these candle closures here. Interesting. SMT. OTE. Rebalance into this gap and we failed it. Complete failure on ES. We've got a gap down here, but we've already rebalanced it, so it makes me think I'm probably gonna want to go lower. I got these equal lows here. I might make this a different color. Yeah, in here. I want to target down here. Oh my god, my hand is shaking. Oh, it doesn't look like a highly volatile day today. Let me measure these candles real quick. Okay, round about. Okay, that's not bad. I want to see a nice not rejection, sorry, rebalance. I want to see a rebalance. We put in this SMT here. Lucky, that would have been good. Definitely missed that. That's alright though. It's all good. Also would have been hella early, but that would have been good. Should have paid more attention. Oh, we got external. This becomes a potential stop rate. Oh, we're chopping on ES. I don't like that price action on ES. We should deliver off of this though. So the fact that we're going lower is a little bit like... Looks like we have a rejection block here too. This is obviously some type of news candle, so we taken a news high, rejected off of that, form rejection block came, taking all that liquidity, so we taken buy side. So definitely more bearish. I just don't want to get in on anything now because look at how many candles we printed bearish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. I might just throw up. I want to see some type of rebalance. Maybe take this Nobik high, rebalance this little range in here. That's what I want to see. Invest fair value gap, maybe. It's completely not respected, so I'm just gonna make that a bit smaller. Reacting off of this little order block right here. It's like precisely, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Still recording. Okay, yeah, we precisely reacted off of this order block right here. Why is it making that ugly looking text? It's not what I want. Okay, I hate how it's overlapped and you can't see the words, but it's fine. See, if we could react off this order block to liver up a little bit, that would be good. And then when we come back, see, I want us to respect this. Perfect. Let's just go higher. We can dig into OT. This price action just looks a mess, so yeah, we're in OT now. We rebalanced on NQ. Didn't exactly hit equilibrium, but that's alright. Now I want to see candle closure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could have reversal sequence here, but I don't think we're going to. I want to see 50% mark down here be disrespected. Don't really want to target below those equal lows though. I don't really like how that candle printed. To be rebalanced, disrespect, but I'd want to see candle closure. bit of manipulation. I'm gonna go lower. And I just like tap it there so that when I am looking at entering, I know what we're doing. Now it just looks a little bit like chop. I don't mind it, but it does look like chop. Do you have like a little SMT right here? ES looks bearish and Q looks bullish. They both printed different candles, so I just want to wait. Well, we tapped into the rejection block, but did we not already do that? Taking the liquidity at the rejection block, but like, this doesn't look good. Nah, it looks like straight chop. I'm gonna wait for market to show its hand. Got this marked out here because I want to see if price is gonna be bearish. I want to see it go past this 50% range. Don't want to see it go past this candle that followed it. Because this would be the propulsion block, I think it's called, because we tapped into this order block precisely, printed bullish, had the propulsion block. I mean, I could have longed there, but like nothing, it wasn't delivering that efficiently. We put an SMT here, we didn't deliver. Oh, okay. Shouldn't be resouping this a third time. We are super close to previous day high and all-time highs, so that is something to consider. Don't want to trade the breakout because we're still consolidating. We've kind of got like a power of 3 on ES, so if we continue higher on ES, and that's good. We shouldn't have really had to come back into that rejection block twice. Oh, no, we don't want to. We shouldn't have resouped that level 3 times though on NQ. We do have this little SMT. We didn't even take the no wick high. Like if we took this no wick high, I would have been a little bit more inclined. Guess we did react off of this inverse, but still, it's not that good. record something for my vlog. Okay guys, I'm recording my live trading, which will be posted on my second channel. You guys are the real ones. The vlog isn't gonna know that. I'm not in a great, happy mood right now. You guys are the real ones. You guys are actually gonna know. Low-key potential long, but it just looks like chop still. Why have we been chopping like all month? Like, oh my gosh. Like, maybe I'm just stupid, but I mean, look at ES. Like, what could I have got? Like 30 points off of this drop right here, but that's like literally market open. And even this one, which actually looked good. Can't remember. I wanted to take it. Maybe like, I think it was, can't remember. Might have been off the rebound respect here. The one that I wanted to take. It would have hit stop loss, but it should have hit, like, if price was going to actually move efficiently. But that's just why you don't trade that early in session, so. I've hit this rejection block 4 times. Like, what are we actually doing? Okay, now we've had our move out of displacement. We made equal highs. Just love it when we do that. Okay, no, we took them out. That's cool, that's cool. And potential stop rate and protected high. Interesting. Okay, so you have this external SMT. Oh, we've manipulated everything on ES. Now all we have is a protected high. So I want to see the soup get respected, because we've got stop rate, protected high, everything at the high there. You could say this is a rejection block, but I don't really feel like it is. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. 53, 50. Okay, equal highs with the candle closure. So if we got like a few ticks higher, that's not bad. I wouldn't mind seeing reversal sequence. Then we take out the wick, the candle closure, candle body closures. I want to take the text off of this. There we go. Alright, let's see. So we are at OTE of this range right here, I'm pretty sure. Got, what is that? A rejection block, which we dug into. Yeah, rejection block. Oh, okay. Like to see this. Too many fair value gaps here. I'm getting confused. This is an inverse. That's really the only one that matters right now. Okay, I love this. For me, we're just not going to get a setup. Are we just going to run without me? Off of nothing? Well, I mean, we did sub the high. But I'm glad we're hyper reactive off of it. That is a positive. Failed that inverse. I want to see like a little bit of a rebalance, ideally. But if you don't want to have a rebalance, that's also fine. Okay, if we could dig. Oh, yeah, okay, look, we violated the propulsion block 50%. If we could trade back into here, got this upper fair value gap now, then that would be great. Like, that's what I want. Maybe I should go in on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rebalance, respect, go low. I should have gotten on this candle. Damn. Now my only option really is a retracement. Like if we got a retracement, then cool, but I don't think we're gonna get one. The position should look like this. Maybe stop loss about the fair value gap. I messed up. Entry should have been on this candle here. My foot's starting to hurt. I have a really sore foot at the moment. Okay, well we're getting a retracement, so that might be a second opportunity for me. Okay, put in bullish SMT, we might get a bullish SMT fail trade. However, this has an engulfing. Potentially like that. Let's see how this closes. Interesting. So, not what I wanted to see, but obviously I haven't gotten in yet. Do have a little mini void up here. That's crazy, because even that other trade that looked really good to take, I mean, I would have got out of SMT actually, to be fair. The other one, what was it, like this? I would have got out right here once we put in this SMT, so that's alright. But that is interesting price action. I only got 5 more minutes of trading left, so we'll just have to see. But this should have, like, the way that looked like it was going to be an engulfing candle was crazy. That would have been a crazy FOMO trade. Not FOMO, but like last minute, I guess you could say. Oh want to see us fill in this gap. If we're going to come up here, then why would we come up here not to fill the gap? That's just my opinion though. Actively disrespecting this. We long gone the thought of even an inverse trade-off of that. We're respecting this fair value gap and have filled it all the way, like precisely. What's that? 475, 475. We literally filled that up to the tick. That's efficient price delivery. I just don't like that we have this little mini void up here, but it is what it is. Maybe we want to take it later. Oh my goodness. Hello. Okay, there we go. Bro. Hello. Kind of want to wait for candle closure here, even though this doesn't look too bad. I just think I'm gonna wait for candle closure. Feel like a minute and a half left. So don't think I'm gonna take anything. I don't mind what price is doing right now. Just gonna see if I fill in that gap. Oh, yep. Like that. It's past the permitted time to trade, but let me probably just forward test this. If it ends up looking good. Don't like that it pushed higher just then. Yeah, I don't like that anymore. It's not what I wanted to see. What I wanted to see was this SMT hold and then a big engulfing candle and then this thing stay being filled to the tick, because then fair value gap filled to the tick, SMT filled to the tick. Perfect opportunity for it. So, and the option right now is just to long off of this target up here. Let's target this internal. That'd be like the best bet, honestly, but I'm obviously not going to take that, but that setup would have been literally perfect, that bear setup. But yeah, that is, I don't know, that's my viewpoint on the day. Let's quickly see what the Discord is saying. I might upload this live trading onto my main channel because there's literally nothing to trade recap in my opinion. Like, I'm not seeing anything good. ES looks crap. Let's see. Oh, cool. A lot of people just traded just then. Damn, I'm just too strict on my rules. Oh, trade of the day. Love that. Oh, wow. I mean, yeah. I don't mind. Because I just want to be following my rules really strictly, and it was 10 o'clock. Literally at the point that I wanted to enter that trade. So, like, this would have been a good entry. Target here. Stop loss down here. A bunch of people got in earlier, but I don't know. That looks good to me, but I have to see what my viewpoint is in trading at 10. Because low-key, I do find sometimes that 10 a.m. will just expand really quickly, just from my little experience that I have. But yeah, I don't mind. It's okay. Do we just edge a draw? And we took that little draw. Yeah. Because we put in SMT here, we had picture perfect setup. Busy filled to the tick. SMT put in this fill to the tick, and then we failed that. So long. No need to stop right up here because we've already failed everything in this region, in this little range. So yeah, that to me looks like a good trade. Maybe target this level. I don't know what other entries were other people saying. No, I think this entry makes the most sense to me. I could have just targeted 30 points, which is said usually in the Discord to just target 30. But yeah, I guess that's a hindsight trade. for the day. Like I said, today was an emotional day right before New York session, like literally seconds before I hopped on the chart, so a little bit more like relaxed, not too like crazy about wanting to take a trade, especially just with the conditions. Like if you look at conditions on ES, like what the hell is that? And then just take into the fact that like, okay, today's been an overall emotional day for me pre New York Open. So I don't want to be jumping in on any and everything. Unless it's screaming to me it looks great, I don't want to get in on it because if I'm already feeling emotional, I'm going to be more likely to FOMO into something late in session. I literally just filmed a Trading Diaries episode on this, saying that something that I struggled with before was the fact that I would get late into session, hadn't taken a trade, and then I would FOMO into something after 10. So yeah, but this is what I would say is a good trade. Could hold to the draw because there are basically equal highs right here and all-time highs and everything. But yeah, I kind of want to back test this 10 a.m. thing because it's my theory. Let's just quickly look at the previous day. Cover trade 9:30, yada yada yada. 10. See, it's just like an influx. No, that's 10 p.m. That's funny. Wait, but what are we at right now? No, we're at a.m. Oh. It's very confused looking at that. I was like, that's not what it looked like yesterday. Oh no, we didn't have it yesterday. Had it a bit after 10. Interesting. Okay, well, that was my day trading today. I guess I can film a trade recap. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do yet, but yeah, that was my trade. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And hopefully it wasn't too low energy and boring for you guys, but yeah, I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye.